Okay, so basically this piece here is the clamp. It just, those fittings slide onto the springs, and you have that pivoting part that the pin from the handle goes into needs to be in position. So maybe you just have to flip that back so that pin from the handle assembly can go through that, as you see here. But it just pretty much comes right off of those springs. There's 2 springs and 2 blocks that those springs fit into. And that's pretty much it. And then just dismounting this vertical beam from the A-frame is just 3. There's 3 fasteners, hex head bolts on each, the top and bottom, and you can remove this whole vertical beam. Otherwise, yeah. So flip that lever so you can get that pin from the handle into it, and then fasten everything back in place with these 4 hex head screws.